Okay, let's continue with the second part of the stock control management system. So the first thing I like to do now is exit, because I like to be able to select all of these and populate all these text box. So let's come in there, right click, and let's go to design view. Now let me select this pro.id and come into the event. Make sure the event is selected and select this very button there. So we want pro.id click event. So what I'm going to do in there is use an if statement to determine the selection that is made. If pro.id equals, that will be PID 001, then this is what I want the system to do. Pro.name equals, let's go for rice. That's what pro.name would be. The description for rice would be white seed or white grain, whatever. Then let's see stock level. Let's say we have about 200, and reorder level. Once the product get to a certain level, we must reorder. So let's say the reorder level for 200 is 50, and let's say cost equals 20 there. So that's the first condition. So I'm just going to copy all of this, come right down here, and let's use else if. Let's end this first, and if, okay, else if the pro.id is 2, let's move it up so that you guys can see it. Then let's go for beans, and that is supposed to be black stroke white high seed. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Okay, and let's come in here. Total number we have in stock is 120 and 10 there before we restock. And let's say the cost is 3. Hey, what about out of stock? Supposing we have out of stock, out of stock. Out of stock, that means we have about 2. Let's go for 2 there. Yeah, and out of stock here as well. Let's make that 2. Copy, and yeah, we make that 2. What about this? Make that 17. Okay, I presume you guys get the whole idea. I'm just going to copy these and change it around right there. So let's speed that up. Okay, this is how the lines of codes looks right now. Right, so let me come in here now. Come right here and just right click and select form view. There we go. Right, so I need to clear this. So let's come into one. Let's see, we have double and is. Take that off and give that a try again. Let's go back to the lines of codes. Alright, let's select an option there. You see that whatever we select actually populates those cells. So in here, all you then need to do is just enter how many of those you want, and this is multiplied by this to give us, and depending on if you have a discount, and that will give us the tax and so on. And you enter the customer's details here, method of payment and so on. Good. So now let's take care of the calculation itself, and guess what, you can even save it. So, but I won't save anything now. Let's move this off so that you can see it all. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I will not save it all for now, and there's still going to be more design to improve the interface. Maybe change this background color. Okay, but let's take care of the total itself. Okay, to take care of the total, let's go into the coding area, and in here let's go to code view, and the first thing I'll do is let's come into insert. I'm going to create a class for my tags, and I'm going to call that, let's call it stock. Right, that is stock right there, and underneath here create a method for the tags. That is the method for the tags right there. Now let's come into the program itself, and right here I'm going to say dim cost of item as new stock. Right there. Okay, as new stock. So let's copy this because I'm gonna need it, and in here, oh, let's declare some other variable. Let's say dim item, and let's make that about, I don't know, I might need almost, let's say about 10 arrays. If I need more, I will go for it. Alright, the first one is going to be item 0 equals, let's say that is cost, then followed by item 1, that's equals what is item 1? That might be number of, yeah, number of order, something like that. I'm going to check that anyway. Then I can then say item 2 equals item 1, item 0 plus multiply by item 1 there. Then we can then say tax equals this dot, let's see what tax is really, let's come in here, dot that, and that will be item 2, this very one. Copy that and paste it right here, there. But there's something we need to get sorted first, or we can just make this. I'm going to make this item 3 because I'm going to need it later on. Item number 3 here, then item 3 or tax equals item 3. Yeah, this will be subtotal, this will be okay. Now we now want subtotal equals item 2, and total itself equals item 2 plus item 3. Right, let's check out this name if it's correct. Then I'm going to then use an if statement to get this sorted. Let's come in here. I need this. Okay, cost of, there will be an underline there. Okay. Right. Now, we're meant to use an if statement to get this sorted, so I'm going to use an if statement. If is this, if is that. Okay. Right. Let's just copy this. Copy all of this. Copy that, and I'm going to paste that right in here. There. And all these other items, copy all of this and paste it right in here. Delete all of this. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, it looks like our program might be finished. Alright. Okay, I think we're gonna have to try this out now. We're gonna have to try it out. So, alright, let's try it out and see how it is. Have a good look at the lines of codes. So come right in here and click on, right click to run. Yeah, let's select it. Number 1, and let's click on total. There we go, guys. Number 2, yeah. Number 3, yeah, that's working fine. And number 4, what about number 5? There we go. Right. Now, so all we then need to do is we just need to enter customer's name there, the date, enter the date. Okay, that's today. On sales, number of item that was purchased, that is 2. I think we can just add this here as well. Yeah, let's get the name of this. Alright, method of payment. Yeah, that's fine. So in here, item ordered, this, that will be this in here. Okay. Now I need the name of this to be here, the name of this in here. Okay, let's come back in here and just take care of that. Design. Let's grab the name of this first. Okay, number of order, that's no problem. I need the name of this. Let's come into the event so that I can grab that very name. That's the name. Yeah. So let's go in here. So I can just paste that one in here anyway. This equals number of item. Where's number of item? Copy that and paste. Then the other one is, let's see the other one, that is meant to be what? I think is this item ordered. Item ordered, that's item ordered, and the name of the product. Go to the view code. Item ordered equals product name. Let's come in here. We can see product name here. Right. Okay, I'm going to try that out. But there's one other thing I'm going to have to do, but let's try this out first. Let's say I click on this now. Alright, what happened? The name. What is the name? Maybe .text. I don't think it's .text. I think it's got to do with this. It should be one's called there. Now let's try it again. I think let's change it. Okay, it's now working. So let's say I change it to number 4 and click on that. That is fine. It's now working how I want it to work. Okay, that's good. That is very good. So all that is left for us now is just to enter the customized details and so on, and that will be all. So we've actually finished. Alright, that's fine. Okay, so let's run through it properly before we call it the end of this program. Right click and just okay, yeah, the one I need to take care of is the form. Let's see the form load, because when the form load I want everything to be empty. Let's try that. Design, form load. Where's the form itself? Let's go into the code view and look for form load. Or should it be initialized? The form load is there. Product name, I want it empty. Let's try that, and let's try ID as well. Product ID. Let's see what's gonna happen with just those two. Yeah, that's brilliant. Okay guys, you see that? So I'm going to now speed that up, then we can call it the end of the program. So let's do that. Yeah, code view. Okay, what is all of these? That's good. Those ones are useful. Just paste them here and get rid of the content in there. Alright. And I can even use those for a reset really. Okay, so let me speed that up and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, those are the form reset lines of code. I'm gonna copy those lines of code, and right here I will have to add another button. I think I'm gonna have to now reduce this and do that. Let's bring that here. All the button there. So let's come in here. This button, add it right here, and that's going to be my reset. So change the name to btn reset. And the caption we call reset. Now let's find out the size of this. The size is 3. Okay, so let's make this there and there. So let's move it up a bit. Now this is the font size. Let's check out the font size for these. I think it's 18, so I'm going to make these two 18. Then let's come in here, font. Let's try that again, font size. So it's font size 18, and change this back to 18 then. There we go. Alright, now select this and let's go into here, code builder. Inside the code builder, I'm now going to copy everything, the other stuff I have in there. Let's put, and let's come right down, copy all of these, and right there, where is it? Here, reset, and paste that in there. That's the reset taken care of. Okay, now that the reset is taken care of, let's take care of this as well. Let's just change that, make it a little bit bigger, and come right here to format. I need font size. Let's make that maybe 60. Right. I think 60. Okay. Maybe 60 is a little bit too much. Okay. That's much better. Okay, all that is left for me now is I'm going to have to add my logo. Let's come in here and look for an image. Click on that and just paste it right there. I'm going to click on, let's say, create new, and just paste that in there. That's my logo, and save that and close it. It's right there. There we go. So let's just adjust it a little bit. Right, so I can just place this somewhere, maybe here, maybe here. Move this down a little bit. Let's move this somewhere and bring this here as the logo there, and this one we get it centered, and maybe we should even make that color a bit darker, just like I've done for the rest. Right, it's a little bit darker, and maybe 55. Is there anything for bold? Let's look for bold. Okay, that's fine anyway. Right, so I will now run my program, then we can call it the end of this interesting project. So let's right click to run from view. There we go, and we select an item. Look at that, it's populated it. How many of those items do I want? We have about 200 there, so let's say we want about 45 of those. And action here, no action required. We can just enter N stroke A, NA, or no action. No action required. In here, remainder none. Okay, order number, customer order number, name. Let me enter my name in there, and address 27, say Wall Street, big town. Lagos. Okay, and here sales, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, Yes, it's on sales date. Enter today's date and number of order that will be automatically generated. Paying by Visa card, type of account, customer, let's say customer's account, VAT, yes, and just click on total. There we go, guys. And with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. So with that, I'm just gonna say bye for now. You all have a nice day now.